Alright guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the Top Performance CVT Variator kit for Yamaha Zuma pre-bug. One of my buddies is having trouble with his Zuma, so after riding it and giving it a go, I told him that this was probably his best bet. Comes with Variator face, drive face, the necessary hardware to install it, including a new starting cup, which is very useful if yours is stripped out. It appears to come with 7-gram rollers as well as a new belt. 990777. No stickers. That's sad. So in the next video, I will be installing this, doing a test run, and giving my thoughts. So it comes with a starter cup, the necessary spacers and washers, a new nut, a new boss, and the spline that holds it in. The key, I should say. So overall, not a bad kit. Definitely looks like a bit of an improvement over stock. Definitely in terms of weight savings, and the ramp is certainly at a different angle. So I'll go ahead and take the stock stuff off and give it a comparison. Stay tuned for the next video and we'll test it, see how it performs, see if this is the right purchase for you.